Assalamu alaikum, welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In previous videos I have shared Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Medical University MDCAT paper 2022, in which I have shared about biology, physics. In this video I am going to share about chemistry questions that came in that test. Questions from 129 onwards. Question number 129. Before starting, I would like to share that questions from 123 to 128 are from logical reasoning. So I have skipped those questions. If you want to get information or solution of those questions, you may comment. I will upload questions. So question number 129. The molecules of iodine I2 form the, and the correct answer is molecular crystals. Question number 130. When two ice cubes are pressed over each other, they unite to form one cube due to, and it is H bonding. Question number 131 is based on the equation, so skipping that question. Question number 132. The high pressure of 200 atm in Haber process is used for better yield. Question number 133. By which of the following factors equilibrium state is attained earlier? And the correct answer is catalyst. Question number 134. Which of the following is not the use of buffer solution? And the correct answer is predict the concentration of a substance. Question number 135. What is the incorrect about activated complex? And the correct answer is it is a stable species. Question number 136. The unit of rate constants the same as that of the rate of reaction in which following order of reaction, and the correct answer is 0. Question number 137. If the reaction is a first order with respect to a reactant, then the rate will be, if concentration is reactant is doubled, then the correct answer is doubled. Question number 138. The correct equation for the first law of thermodynamics is, question number 139, 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. Question number 140, the thermal energy at constant pressure is called enthalpy. Question number 141, which statement correctly describes the term standard electrode potential? Question number 42, oxidation number of an element in free state is 0. Question number 143. The branch of science which deals with the conversion of electrical energy in chemical energy and vice versa is called electrochemistry. Question number 144. Which of the following has greatest difference of electronegativity? And the correct answer is HF. Question number 145. Ionization energy decrease down the group because atomic radius increase. Question number 146. Carbon atoms in ethane are sp power 3 hybridized. Question number 147. The type of bonding in zinc is metallic. Question number 148. Which one of the following is semiconductor? And the correct answer is Si. Question number 149. Which of the following properly decrease in group 2 as we go down the group? And the correct answer is ionization energy. Question number 160. Which of the following alkali metals can form normal oxide as well as pre-oxide? And the correct answer is Na. Question number 151. The transition element which doesn't show variable valency is zinc. Question number 152. The bonding energy of transition metals increases up to group 6b. Question number 153. Homocyclic organic compounds are subdivided into two types, namely alicycles and aromatic. Question number 154. The type of isomerism arising due to shifting of proton from one atom in the same molecule is heteromerism. Question number 155. In alkanes, each carbon has hybridization sp power 2. Question number 156. For the reaction, it is based on the reaction. Question number 157 is also based on the reaction. Equation is given. Question number 158. 1 mole of substance is the amount of that substance that has the number of particles, atom, ions or molecules, as there are atoms in exactly 12 g of carbon, 12 isotopes. Question number 159. Principal quantum number is represented by the symbol. Question number 160. Shape of the subshell is explained by which quantum number, and it is azimuthal quantum number. Question number 161. The electronic configuration for degenerated orbits is explained by Hund's rule. Question number 162. Maximum number of electrons which can be placed in one orbital is 2. Question number 163. Air is mixture of gases. The molecules of air don't settle down due to elastic collision. Question number 164. Collision shown by gases involves the following: no energy change. Question number 165. According to Charles' law, volume of gas reduces to 0 at minus 275.15 Celsius. Question number 166. The strongest hydrogen bond is present in H2O. Question number 161. Which of the following has highest surface tension? And the correct answer is water. Question number 166. Which of the following has highest boiling point? And the correct answer is not visible. Question number 169. Ice floats on the surface of water due to empty spaces on the surface of ice. Question number 170. Which of the following is not oxidized by any oxidizing agent? And the correct answer is benzene. Question number 171. The correct order of reactivity of hydrocarbons is, and the correct answer is alkenes, alkynes and alkanes. Question number 172. Reactivity order of halogene is. Question number 173. Alkyl halides are also known as the halogen derivatives of, and the correct answer is alkanes. Question number 174. Grignard reagent is formed when alkyl halide reacts in the presence with, and the correct answer is magnesium. Question number 175. Phenols are very reactive towards. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy for entry test preparation, job preparation and scholarship announcements. The correct answer is oxidizing agent. Question number 176. Both alcohols and phenols contains. Select the correct order of relative acids strains of phenol, alcohol and carboxylic acid. Question number 178. Carboxylic acids reacts with alcohol to form, and the correct answer is ester. Question number 179. Catalytic reduction of aldehyde and ketones forms, and the correct answer is alcohol. Question number 180. When aldehyde reacts with 50% of NaOH, this reaction is called as, and the correct answer is Cannizzaro reaction. Question number 181. Based on the function, thyronix can be classified as hormonal protein. Question number 182. Enzymes is a natural substance that increase the rate of chemical reaction. Most repeated questions.